tune is a must.
I'm gonna tell you
Then
something about
give
that.
thanks for life. Never give up. Perseverance. You see it? That we are set. This is the thing called
CB&B with MG on One Love Radio Live.
Man say never give up. Remember where you're coming from. You know Shakin Murray back in the days when Shakin Murray he was Shakin Murray, but he wasn't as big as now. You know, he used to do Don't Play For My Sound, you know. MG Connection, if you remember. That time, he wasn't a dreadlocks or anything. Remember Shakin Murray? He's locking it right now. And I tell you, man, the man remember everything, you know. The man went away, as him say, you know. He make it, you know. He make a thing, you know, my talk about. And it's easy, just like the rest of them, because a lot of people who I was familiar with, you know, don't remember a lot of things. And Shakin Murray went all over the world. He did a lot of shows all over the world, man. And you know something? One of the time I hear that Shakin Murray looking for me, you know. And guess what? Shakin Murray want me to do a music video. Imagine, he went all over the world, man. And the man come back to Jamaica. So I did the music video. We come up with a script, come up with a concept, put the music video together. And I'm going to play the song later. I play the song all the time, you know, but maybe a lot of people don't recognize it, you know, because I'm on this program for nearly 4 years now, and I've been playing it from day one. I've been playing this song, all right? And a lot of people love it, man, I tell you. But Shakin, what I'm saying that he remember where he come from, because he come back to Jamaica and he find me at my place and give me the music video to do. And no joke thing, the man pay decent fee. Not more to say. Listen, remember where I come from.